everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I am working on a fall project. I know it's a little bit early, but I found these things at the Dollar Tree and I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing with them before they're all gone in case anybody else would want to do something like this. And I know these cute little things that they have there, sometimes they don't last very long. I got these on Friday and yeah, people were grabbing them up like crazy. And also these cute little signs that they have there at the Dollar Tree. I thought these were adorable. They have like burlap on them and stuff. I've been running around, so I'm still kind of out of breath here. But anyway, I grabbed those at the Dollar Tree, and I grabbed these picks at the Dollar Tree, and I love these because I can take them apart and use the different pieces from them. So I'm going to be using these too. And we're going to take them all apart. So the first thing I want to do is which one was this one going to be? This one. I took this little pumpkin off of here and we're going to glue that back on later. It just popped right off. You can see where the glue is there. And then I measured the back, whoops, halfway here, and I made a mark. And I measured the back of this, which has a nice little hook for you to hang it up with. I measured here, this is 12 inches, so I just measured that right in half, and we're just going to glue these two pieces together. So I'm actually going to use some tacky glue, and I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue to hold it in place, but I'm going to put a little tacky glue on the back of this and glue this right on top of this cute little sign. These are just going to be some quick and easy projects here. But like I said, I know it's early, but you know how things go at the Dollar Tree when they come out with stuff that's really cute. They just don't last very long. So I'm going to glue this down here so it's centered. I'm going to leave it up just a little bit to make sure it doesn't go in the back there to interfere with hanging it up. So there. So that will get glued on top just like so. And these are great. This will take you all the way through Thanksgiving. Fall to Thanksgiving. And I like to start, there's a little thing hanging off of here. I like to start decorating, towards the end of August. Just because I start getting anxious by that time. Once school's back in and everything else, I'm just kind of thinking fall. So, let me see. Which one of these did I cut already? Oh, I got them all messed up. Alright, it must be this one. Yes. And I took these little leaves off. It had two other leaves, and it's off of this bunch. I took this little gourd off and these two leaves off. And I'm just going to cut those little stems off of there because I want to use these on here. And I'm going to put this one over here like so. And then I'm going to cut that all off. You need a good pair of wire cutters. These are old, but they still work. There we go. And I'm just going to glue that down just like this. And it doesn't matter if you have a little glue coming out because that's going to get covered up too. So I'm going to put that one on this side, and you don't want to cover your words up or anything. And then I'm going to take one of these cute little leaves here, and there's my cute word again, I can't help it. And we're going to put that up here a little bit higher, just to cover up some of that wire on here. So I'm going to put that one there, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. We'll pop our little gourd off. They pop off real easy. And actually, I'm just going to cut this off. And then no, actually I'm not going to need those leaves. I'm going to use this one on the other side. So I'm just going to cut these off again here. Like so, and it's not all that easy with old wire cutters. And then kind of figure out where you want it before you glue it down. I think that'll look cute right there. Alright, so that one's going to get stuck right down in here. And then we're going to put our other leaf on here. And some more glue. There we go. And let's see, I don't want to block too much of the fall saying or the other saying. There we go. So now we have that there. Now I'm going to take off of this one, I'm going to take a row of these little berries, and that's what's going to go right down the center here to cover that up. And that I think I can just cut off with scissors because that's just plastic. And I think that'll fit right in the center nicely. Yes. Yay. Glue webs. Let's just put a bunch of glue in there. And then I'm just going to glue these little berries down here in the front. And then we can put our little pumpkin back on, like right here. I think it'd be really cute. And then you don't see where you ripped it off or anything. And isn't that cute? It just makes such a nice, bigger decoration that you can hang up on the wall or wherever you want to put it. You could still keep it on a shelf if you wanted to, if you don't want to hang it up. But it has that nice little hook back there, so you can put it up on a wall someplace or on a nice shelf. So I'm just going to kind of do the same thing with the other one, and then I'll set these up after I get done here and give you a better shot of it. But same thing with this one, and I love these signs. They're just so cute, and I just know they're not going to be around for very long. So I already measured and I put a mark in the center here. I'll take some of my tacky glue. And just a little bit of hot glue. I'm just doing the hot glue because a lot of people ask me why do I use both. I just do the hot glue because it takes a little bit for the tacky glue to dry, and I just want to keep on working on it here. So the hot glue will hold it on in place, kind of like a little vice grip there, while your tacky glue dries. And if you see some of these at the Dollar Tree, some of them look really off-centered, which I was really upset when I brought this one home, but they actually pop right apart and you can slide them back in and make them nice and even again. I also want to take this little flower off for now, because we're going to do the same thing with this one. And I think maybe I'll use, I don't know, I think I'll leave one of the bunches of berries on this one. Take off our little pumpkins and we can use that for something else. And I'm going to clip off one of these bunches of berries that we can use in the center of this one. Yeah, you know what? I don't know if I want that on there either. Now some of these you can see the white from the styrofoam, but we're going to cover that up with a leaf, so that's okay. Yeah, that'll be good. All right, so let's cut this one off. I think this one's a little bit thicker too, so it'll take a little doing here. But these are all held together with like floral tape, so if you wanted to take them apart, it would probably make it a lot easier to cut them, but then you'd have to tape them all back together. So we're just going to glue that one on there. Yeah, I like that with the berries sticking up on this one. And you could add some little raffia here or something too if you wanted to. Whatever. You can do whatever with these. All right, now I need my smaller leaves from the other bunch. And I'm just going to cut those off. And that will cover up all those little boo-boos there. Don't want to cover up my sayings. But when you hang this up, then you'll be able to see all of your words. That there, and then our little sunflower. Oh, that's not going to work with this, is it? I should wait for it to dry. Yeah, that'll work. We'll put that back on after this cools. All right, now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Pop off my little pumpkin. It is so hot today. It's kind of nice staying in out of the heat and making some fall things. I do love summer, and I'm really not in any hurry for fall and winter. But this is probably the best project to do on a nice hot day. It's just sit inside in the air conditioning and, oh, I definitely need new wire cutters. And make some fall decorations. And if you don't want to make these now, that's fine, but just to make sure that you don't miss out on these cute little things, just, you know, stock up on them, put them away until the end of next month or September, whenever you want to start decorating. I need to bend this one a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna get it in there before my hot glue gets cold. There we go. Oh, I made a mess pulling that back off of there with my glue webs. All right, I still don't think I have it glued enough. All right, I need to stop moving this thing around. All right, so now I'm going to put my other little leaf over here. And then that will fit perfect. Yay! I like when things work out. Alright, so now all I have to do is put my little sunflower back on there. This way, I guess. I might put that up here a little farther. There we go. Oh, I think that's so nice. I love this. And now it's just, instead of having just a couple cute little decorations, you have a nice big fall decoration. So actually, maybe I'll try to hang these up and we'll see how they look hung up, and then be right back. Alright guys, there's the first one here. I got this one hung up on my wall here in the craft room. And of course, you know, when you have some more of your fall decorations out, it'll look even better. I think that's really cute. I love this. And let me get the other one hung up and I will show you that one too. Alright, and there's the second one. I think these are so cute. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Like I said, if you don't want to hang them, put it on a shelf. But if you really want to do anything like this, I would definitely go out and grab these little goodies now and put them away until you're ready to do your fall crafting. So that was my little project for today that I wanted to share with you guys. I will see you all next time. Have a great day, everyone.